Hey everyone, I'm Jess, the AI genie, and I'm super excited to dive into this conversation about AI creativity and how we can help businesses find their unique voice. Let's get started.
I'm going to be doing a workshop on July 30th at BX West. It's only a 10-minute workshop, but I'm going to send people away with a kit to help them figure out how to use their own voice when creating content for their business. Why is content the best place to start using AI in business? What's your thought on that?
Content is such a great starting point because it's really the voice of your business. Using AI for content creation can help you streamline the process, generate ideas faster, and maintain consistency across different platforms. It also allows you to experiment with different styles and formats without investing a ton of time, making it easier to find what resonates with your audience. Plus, it's a fun way to get comfortable with AI and see immediate results.
I have created so many marketing plans, written articles, and I can't believe how much time I was able to save when I could say to ChatGPT, okay, please look over this article, correct any grammar, spelling mistakes, help me end it, or help me with this particular paragraph, or research this. So it's a fantastic way to be able to take any content that you have and break it down into the pieces that you need, deconstruct it, and then build it specifically for each social media site. It can save hours of time. Can you tell us what the 6 key elements are of a great prompt?
Let's dive into those six key elements with some examples. Clarity, you want to be super clear about what you're asking. For example, instead of saying write something about marketing, you could say write a 200-word Instagram post about the benefits of using AI in social media marketing. Second, context, give a bit of background. For instance, this post is for small business owners who are new to AI. Persona, specify the tone or perspective. For example, write this in a friendly conversational tone as if you're a small business coach. Fourth, format, be specific about what you need. For instance, I need this as a bullet point list for an Instagram caption. Fifth, examples. Providing examples can be really helpful. You can say, here's an example of a post I like and share that with the AI. And finally, detail. The more details you give, better the result. For instance, mention our upcoming workshop on July 30th at the end of the post. Combining all these elements can really help AI give you exactly what you need.
If you were writing the post like Darth Vader from Star Wars, you were this dark overlord who basically could destroy an entire planet with laser beams if the people didn't obey you. How would you rewrite a post?
Let's channel our inner Darth Vader for a second. Might go something like this. Attention. Small business owners, your presence at the AI workshop on July 30th at BX West is not optional. Join us and you will unlock the true power of AI for your business. Failure to attend will result in missing out on unparalleled knowledge. Do not underestimate the power of this workshop. Definitely a fun way to add a bit of flair to a post.
How would Data from Star Trek uh, write this post?
Data would probably approach it in a very logical and straightforward manner, something like, greetings. It would be a logical decision to attend the AI workshop on July 30th at BX West. This event promises to deliver comprehensive knowledge on the integration of artificial intelligence in business content strategies. Your participation would be most logical and beneficial. Definitely more data-esque.
If I was going to promote this event, how would you recommend I promote it? What steps could I take?
First, create engaging social media posts that highlight the value of the workshop, like learning to use AI to boost business efficiency, and share these posts across platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also create short video teasers or behind the scenes clips to generate excitement. Another great idea is to engage with your audience through interactive content like polls or Q&A sessions about AI in business. At business events, you can network and share flyers or QR codes that link to your event page. And don't forget email marketing. Sending out personalized invites or newsletters can really help boost attendance.
Well, how much of that stuff that you mentioned could you create for me?
I can definitely help with a lot of that. I can draft social media posts tailored to each platform, come up with engaging captions, even help you script short video teasers. I can also help you create content for email newsletters, draft an event announcement, and even come up with ideas for interactive content like polls or Q&A sessions. So basically anything content related that you need, I'm here to help you craft it.
What about images? What can you create for me in the image aspect of using ChatGPT 4.0?
We can create visuals, illustrations, and even comic style art for your event promotions. Just let me know the style, theme, and details you're looking for, and we can bring those visuals to life.
Is ChatGPT 4.0 capable of creating video content?
While I can't directly generate video content like I can with images, I can definitely help you script and plan your videos. I can assist with writing engaging video scripts, brainstorming ideas for video content, and providing guidance on how to storyboard your ideas. Then you can use various video editing tools to bring those scripts and ideas to life. So,
is it cheaper for me to go to somebody who can create my video content themselves, or is it cheaper right now to get AI to do it? Which one's more cost effective?
it really depends on the complexity of the video content you need. Simpler videos like social media clips or short promotional videos using AI tools can be quite cost effective. Tools like Lumen 5 or Pictory can help you create videos from text and are relatively affordable. If you need more polished, high production videos, then hiring a professional might be the better route.
If he was going to take the post that we were writing, remember how we did it in Darth Vader's voice and then Data's voice? How would Hemingway write this post?
A Hemingway style post would probably be very straightforward and to the point. It might go something like, join us on July 30th at REX Networking on the West End, a workshop on using your voice in content. It'll be clear, concise, and worth your time. Simple and effective.
Would you mind writing as if Emily Bronte was writing it in the tone and the style that she uses in Wuthering Heights?
An Emily Bronte inspired post would likely have a more dramatic and emotive tone. It might go something like, amidst the wild and untamed spirit of creativity, we gather on the 30th of July at BX Networking on the West End. Let the winds of inspiration sweep through your voice and let your words echo like the haunting whispers of the moors. Join us and let your creativity take flight. Definitely more poetic and moody.
I think I want to write every single post in the style of Emily Bronte. That was amazing. It gave me tingles. It was fantastic. How would Shakespeare write? Can we give it sort of the style of a sonnet, maybe a few lines from a sonnet? How would Shakespeare write this post?
A Shakespearean take might sound something like this. Attend, fair friends, upon this summer's night, on July's last but one, in West End's light, a workshop grand where voices find their might and words shall dance like stars in the quiet night. It's always fun to channel a bit of Shakespearean flair.
Moving on, which is really difficult because this is so much fun. What other AI tools should entrepreneurs know about?
There are definitely some great budget-friendly tools out there for entrepreneurs. For content creation, I'd recommend checking out Canva, which has some great AI-powered design features. Another fantastic tool is Grammarly, which helps polish up your writing. For social media management, Buffer is a great affordable option. For video content, something like InVideo can be super useful and cost-effective. And of course, for AI-driven writing assistants, ChatGPT is always a great resource. Those should help keep things both effective and budget-friendly.
What would you recommend to businesses as possible episodes that would be helpful for them to learn how to implement AI into their business practice?
A few great topics. It could be exploring how AI can help automate customer service, like using chatbots. Another interesting topic could be how AI can improve data analytics, helping businesses make better decisions. You could also explore AI in marketing, like personalized recommendations and targeted ads. Another fun one could be AI for content creation, like generating social media posts, blog ideas, and even video scripts.
So help us out here. Give us some suggestions on how we can survive the age of AI using AI tools and still keep our doors open to stay in business.
I think one of the best ways to look at AI is as a tool that can enhance what we do rather than replace it. For creatives, AI can handle some of the repetitive tasks and free up more time for the truly creative human parts of the job. The idea is that by integrating AI into your workflows, you can streamline a lot of the tasks that used to take up a ton of time. That means you can focus on the more creative or strategic aspects of your business, and ultimately that can lead to greater productivity and potentially more profit. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and using these tools to amplify what you're already great at.
Okay, fantastic. Well, we have so much more to talk about in the future. Thank you for joining us, Jess, my AI genie. Just excited about this workshop. Would you please write me a social media post that I can start posting? And I'd like it to be